Good morning, girls. Today we will start with word problems. The steps to remember. Read the question carefully. Put it in your own words. Draw diagrams wherever necessary. Get the clue words from the question itself. Let's start with the statement words. It's very important. When you start writing the statements, the statement word plays an important role. Few things that you have to keep in mind when you are using the statement words. Number 1, if it's a countable noun, something that you can count like human beings, for boys, girls, number of students. So then in that case we use number of. But when you go to the market to buy something, for example, you went to the market to buy potatoes and you bought 5 kgs of potatoes, that time you will not start the statement with kg of potato bought. We never start the statement with a unit. We always write weight of potatoes bought, weight of mangoes bought, weight of the bag. Are you getting it? But at the same time, if you are buying liquids, for example, if you are buying water, you are buying milk, in that case, you will not start the statement with liter of milk bought, liter of water bought. In that case, we always start the statement with quantity of liquid bought or the capacity of the container in which we are keeping. Are you getting it? The same way, if you move on to the next one, that is, if I bought, let's say, 2 meters of cloth, in that case, I will not say meter of cloth bought, I will say length of the cloth bought. But if I say the distance of my house from the school is 2 kilometers, then I will not say kilometer from the school. It's distance. Distance of the school from my house. Are you getting it? So we never use the units. That's very important. Please keep that thing in mind. This is a common mistake that we make. Now, the last point. When we buy something, for example, I bought this pen. Let's say for 10 rupees. I will say the cost of the pen is 10 rupees. Or money paid for the pen is 10 rupees. Or amount paid for the pen is 10 rupees. Are you getting it? So these statement words play an important role in the statement. Always remember, I am repeatedly saying, please do not start the statement with the units. It's absolutely wrong. Now let's start with the first question. I'll just explain the question so that you understand every step the way you are going to proceed with the word problem. What was the first step? Read the question carefully. Rajiv purchases a sofa set and a dining set costing rupees 36,875 and rupees 87,365 respectively. How much money he has to pay in all? So first step was read the question. Second step that you have to keep in mind, change that into your mother tongue so that it's easy for you to understand. That is the place where you're having the problem. You're not able to understand the question. So change that into your mother tongue. Understand it in the form of a story. Alright. And then what was the third step? Wherever possible, you are supposed to draw the diagram. It means what? For example, in this case, I'm not at all good in drawing, children, but I'll just try to draw something for you so that you understand, My goodness, you people are an artist, but not me. Sofa set he bought. And how much did he pay for the sofa set? He paid 36,875. Alright. Then he also bought a dining set. Probably he was shifting to a new house, buying everything new. So always try to enjoy the word problem. Now, how much did he pay for the dining set? It's just not the table, the chairs along with. It's 87,365. So this is what he paid. Now the question is how much he has to pay in all. This is the clue word that tells you have to go for addition. Are you getting it? So that's the clue word. How much he has to pay in all. Got it? This much you should do first. Now next, what to do? Now go ahead with, try to find the clue statement word. He is buying something. So what is the statement word that you're supposed to start with if you remember? I had said cost of. And to make it more easy, look at the last part of the question. How much money he has to pay in all. So here is your clue word, money. So I can even start the statement with money. Money given for sofa set. Money given for the dining set. Therefore, money he has to pay in all. All of it will be correct. Are you getting it? Did you understand? Now, how to go about writing this in the copy? Remember, you have to divide your copy into two parts. Alright? One part is going to be broad and the other is going to be a narrower part. Alright? And the broader part, you are going to write the statements. Statements. And the second column, the narrow part, you are going to write the working. That's the heading that you are supposed to write. Alright, now let's start with the statement. So, let's start with money only. Why to go with for something else? Let's start with money. No problem. Money paid for sofa set. How much did he pay? He paid rupees 36,875. Now, second statement. Money paid for dining set. How much did he pay? He paid rupees 87,365. Now, when you are writing the third statement, it's very easy. Remember what you will do. In the question itself, just cut this with the pencil. Alright? Instead of this, because this is the final statement, children. So, you will write therefore. This 3 dots that we write, it means therefore. On top of that, you write therefore. And now repeat the sentence. See, therefore, money he has to pay in all. Isn't it very easy? Therefore, money he has to pay in all. So what should you do? You are supposed to add it up. 36875 plus 87365. Just add it up. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 14, 4 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 14, 4 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. It means he has to pay 1,24,240. Your work is not over. This is not your complete work. Finally, you have to write the final statement. You have to write like this. He has to pay rupees 1,24,240 in all. Is this we are repeating it? Money he has to pay in all. He has to pay rupees this much in all. And after you finish, you just double underline it. Double underline it. That completes your work. Did you understand, children? Is it clear to you how we are going to go ahead with the word problem? I hope it's clear to you. Now, the same way you are going to do the work in your copy, you are not going to copy the questions in your copy, only the statement and the working will be done. On one page, not more than 2 questions. Alright, and this work can be done in the book itself. Learn how to find the clue word. Is it clear to you? Thank you and have a wonderful day.